Hi guys, today we're taking the Volkswagen Tiguan for a test drive and I can't wait to share the features with you. Oh my gosh, yes!
It can talk. I don't know what you mean by, oh my god, yes.
This is so cool! This car is awesome. So, as you can see, lane assist's on, there's a car coming past, there's a light on, and as they pass, it's off. So that tells us that someone's coming up, don't merge out of the lane. We're just reversing with the reversing camera. That is like an awesome screen of how much we can see, and just here we can see all the way around the car, and then look at that, we can see behind. Reversing camera. When we have the lights on auto, the lights just automatically come on as we need them. No worry about lights or batteries going flat, leaving the lights on or anything. Love our test drive in the Volkswagen Tiguan. Can highly recommend it to all the mums and families out there. It is spot on, a fantastic car for families. And just when I thought this car couldn't get any better, I accidentally pressed the top of here and boom! Look at that! Another little storage compartment. So cool.